All right, welcome back. So today I will be showing you the strategy to trade volatility 251s, and it's going to be focused on moving average. Now, I will be explaining some details about it for you so that you can actually help your trading. Now, when you want to trade volatility 251s, you have to understand that it's an high volatile instrument. So, if you use moving average, you know it's a lagging indicator. So, it tells you a movement, a direction that has already happened. That is happening already. So it's not like before it happens. So it must. So if the market is going, if it's signaling a sell trend, it means that that sell trend has started. Not that it's about to start. It has started already. Now, quick one. What are the settings for the moving average? We are using moving average, simple moving average, and the settings are going to be uh, 9. The period are going to be 9 and 25. 9 is a short moving average value that actually combine 9 candles, preceding candles, and it tells you the direction that the market is expected to go. Did you get it now? So, and 25 is a high moving value that tells you that okay, it's more guarantee now if there is a crossover between the moving averages. Now you can see now the moving average just crossed now the simple moving average 9, which is this, and the simple moving average 25, which is this. They just cross each other at this point. This is it. The 25, you go to this, you will see the settings 25 and 25. You can see now. So if you come here for the 9, 9, 9, so you see now, and you can see it says SMA, simple moving average. Now, there is a crossover in this video, not after. In this video, there is a crossover now, and you see market selling. So you can actually use this to actually trade volatility 251s and make a lot of money trading it. Yes. So now, after you have seen opportunity to enter, the question will now be exit. So the question that traders want to actually know is that when will I know it's ideal to get out? Two ways to actually consider that. You can actually work with you marking support resistance, hoping that the market will get there, that immediate resistance or support, because you know that if the market move from the resistance, it's going to support. When you move from the support, it's going to resistance on any time frame. So what that does is that it helps you not to exit a market too early. It helps you to actually wait and make a concise and precise decision. Do you get it? The second way to actually know when you are using moving average is to see the crossover. Now, this is what many people don't talk about because hope I don't want to say that I think they did not know it, but I happen to know. The crossover of the moving average determines the movement. That is how volatile and how the strength of that direction is. When you see a crossover that open up like this, that market is going to sell very well. It's not going to sell one, two candle and just go up. Now, in some cases, it can actually, prove wrong, but in most cases, it will not. See, let's look at example here. Look at this crossover. There was an opening, just like you have an opening now. There was an opening. See the movement of the candle. If you move from here, if you calculate the move from here, from this candle here, this is 215, all the way to 223. That's $40 with the lowest lot size is 0.005. That's 40 US dollars. Now, and you can trade it with as low as $30 accounts. Now, the same thing here, you see the opening that it opens. Look at here also that the opening was open. The market seems that it moved back a bit because Uh, this is another factor that you should understand, maybe, that when you see that market crossover happen, moving average crossover happen, and the market has left a resistance or support, there is a kind of understanding you should know that there is going to be a pullback, that the market will make attempts towards that place that it has moved away from, then continue. So that is exactly what you have here. Not that the market is going to buy. This market is just taking itself back to actually compensate the volatility that has happened, and also to take out some people that get in too early. So that's why you see that market go back. So you can go even all the way up to this level, then continue selling. The same way you have this now. There was an opening, then the market went up. Now, in some cases, you will actually have it, and the market will turn around, and might need to cut your losses. And if you're asking me that, okay, how did I know when to cut my loss in case things are bad? The moment you are entering for buy and the market goes below your candles, okay, below your moving average, both 15, both the 9 and 25. The moment it crosses the 25 and it does not return back, just get out first. Maybe you cut your $5, $10 loss, wait for the next opportunity and actually take another opportunity. Don't hope on just one singular trade, because what thing I've find out with this volatility 251 edge is that even you might be right, holding on and hoping that the market will return back, it can first of all liquidate you if you don't have big equity before it actually go in your direction. So you don't want a scenario whereby when the market starts your direction, you are not having any equity. It will be better for you to cut short, small loss and actually come back and recover. Okay. Now you can see now the market has started selling. So just like we said, you can see a pullback, then the market continues selling. Now, if you use this method, you are going to actually make money. Now, I'm not saying that you are not going to have some trade that you might need to cut losses. And that's when you have to understand that you cannot win all your trade. Even people that actually trade using uh, price action and other method, ICT method and all that stuff, they still cut losses. So there's no holy grail in trading. So I hope that is clear. Now, for for those people who are actually have interest in the special indicator that I actually sell. Now, the special indicator you have to have PC. I've been repeating that and I'll keep repeating it. You have to have PC to use the special indicator. And what the special indicator help you to do is that it tells you the direction, number one, on any time frame you put it. Number two, it gives you signal when to buy or to sell. And in uh, in the trend you can take, against the trend you can trade and benefit from the high volatility of the market. Now I've given discount, I've sold it at $20, I've given discount, I've sold it at $30. Now the current price is $50 if you have interest in it. uh it comes also with understanding of how to trade aside using the special indicator, meaning that without the special indicator, you can also trade based on the knowledge that will be passed to you. I've prepared the course already, and it comes like a total package for anybody who is interested. So you are going to actually have that, and for anybody who actually make payments today, you are going to actually have access to that today, and also you'll be added to the signal group where I give signals. So maybe you are somehow busy, you could not actually, you know, sit down on your charts and wait for setup yourself. I will see it by myself, give the signal to you, help you to make money. And all those package comes for $50. But if you come any other time within this year, it's still going to be $50 for the indicator with the training on how to trade with or without the indicator. And from next year, it's going to be $100. Uh, Lest I also forget, remember that I also give free signal on my general platform. So you can also check it out and actually be part of the platform. I'll see you around in the next video. And also, if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and recommend the channel to others. Work and improve on the output also. with time 2024.